Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and today we're going to do another Plant of the Week video. And the plant we're going to do today is a very versatile plant. It's a beautiful plant. It's a shrub. It's called the black lace elderberry. Now there are many different kinds of elderberries. There's the regular green elderberry that you can eat. There's lemony lace elderberry that's shorter and yellow. But today we're going to do a black lace elderberry. Let's get you closer and show you what it looks like. Here we have a beautiful specimen of black lace elderberry. If you look really closely, we've got some buds starting to form, and they have beautiful, gorgeous flowers. They're white. And I will put a picture on the screen of those because this one isn't quite ready to flower yet. They do have edible berries, but it looks like they do not tend to set berries unless you have another cultivar of elderberry to help pollinate them. Berries are not great for fresh eating. They make excellent jellies and preserves like that. Some people claim that they are extremely healthful, and I tend to believe that. Now the black lace elderberry is gorgeous. It's got the darker leaves that set off the white flowers beautifully. They get about 8 feet tall and wide. So they're not a huge shrub, but they do need room. Pruning them is not hard. You can go in and cut out the oldest branches, the oldest, biggest branches, or you can completely cut them to the ground for size control every year. So they are a very forgiving plant. They can grow in shade or sun, and they're quite drought tolerant. So they're very easy to grow, and I think they are a gorgeous plant. So this is a mature specimen here, and then we have a brand new baby plant here. As I said earlier, there are different varieties of elderberry that come in different sizes. The regular green elderberries are quite large. Black lace are the mid-size. Lemony lace is, a smaller size. And then they actually have new cultivars. I think one's called Black Tower, if I remember correctly. And then there's a Golden Tower. I might be saying those wrong, but they're narrow versions. They get 3 or 4 feet wide and about 10 feet tall. So whatever shape or size you would like, there's an elderberry for that purpose. So I suggest you go out to your property and see if you have a spot for an elderberry. I think you'll be really happy that you did. So enjoy yourselves this week, enjoy the beautiful weather, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.